Delz.
Alright, today's kicks, Nike SB, Huxtables, aka Biggie Smalls, and we're gonna go Funko Pop hunting. We're gonna go to Barnes & Noble, see if they got anything here. I have a lot of luck at Barnes & Nobles. Alright, let's see what they got here. First, I'd like to just walk around real quick, see if they see any chases out, so we don't miss nothing. Then I'll dig through the shelves. Okay. Oh wow, they got tons of the Wizard Deadpool. So if you're looking for the Wizard Deadpool, which I absolutely love, make sure to go and try to cop yours. Fantastic Beast, Treebeard. I'm trying to stay away from the 6-inch pops, man, but I really want that one. These are easily two of my favorite pops of the year. Two release, easily. Semi and Prince Akeem, must-haves. Great movie, Coming to America. If you've never seen it, maybe you're a young buck, watch it. You will thank me later. One of the greatest comedies of all time. And I cannot wait for 2019, man. We need that Game of Thrones back, right? Hit the thumbs up button if you agree. I don't really got much here. Let's go to GameStop, see what they got. All right, let's check out GameStop, see what they got. Let's rock. They got Betty Boop right there. If you're looking to pre-order, I'll put a link in the description box. And they also got Lucy. Got Lucy in the factory with her chocolate, which you can still get. As I said, I'm gonna link these in the description box to help you out. They got Alfred Hitchcock, really awesome. And you can see it says Psycho right there. Got the baby squares. Want this one. This one's dope too. Boogie Boogie. I don't know how I feel about this one. They got MacGyver. What do you guys know about MacGyver? That's old right there. That's real old. MacGyver. And they got the Red Skull vs. Captain America. This looks really good in person. I'm actually impressed. Let me know if you're going to be picking it up. And I will link this too in the description box. You can get this. Guaranteed mint condition. They still got this, the deluxe. They got FYE. This one's a dope one. They got Tommy. Oh, that's dope. Close in the dark.
Hold on, man. You ready to check out?
No, I'm just looking.
Oh, okay.
Look what I got. Found a chase. They got Travis Barker too. Tempting. Alright, Funko Pop addicts, we are at the house. And we got the Predator Hound, man. Caught it in the wild. I wanted this one. I want the actual Predator chase that's available now. There's a quick look at the back of the box with all the different ones. And thumbs up the video right now and I'll give you an out-of-the-box review. Show that love. And there's a look at him out of the box. Comes with a stand, but I didn't even use the stand. Let me know what you think. I think it's awesome as a Predator fan. I love the original with Schwarzenegger, classic movie. But I think that the chase is way, way better. That red version, it's not that great, the red version. Maybe after I see the movie, I'll like the red version. But with Predator, I would rather have a green Predator Hound. I think it's pretty awesome looking, though, I gotta say. He's got his dreadlocks in the back. Rastafari! He needs a joint now. Just trying to hit you with some different angles. And I will link this pop in the description box below. You have a 1 in 6 chance to get this Funko Pop. So I will put a post where you can find all of the different Predator Funko Pops that are out now. There's 2 different ones where you have a 1 in 6 chance to score the chase. And there's good chances when you order online versus going to the store. You know, when you go to the store, it's really hit or miss. But online, you know you have a 1 in 6 chance if you go to a good spot. And everywhere that I post in the description box are good spots. They don't pull that funny business, that shady stuff where they, you know, like resell the chases for more money and all that craziness. So definitely look in the description box below to all of the Funko Pops I have listed to help you all out. And make sure to subscribe if you love Funko and more. Very, very happy to have this in the collection, man. The wall is looking really tough, man. We got a lot of great Funko Pops. Love it, man. Love collecting these things. And I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog right here. Funko Pops I'm looking for the chase of Audrey 2. I have all the other ones, but I need the chase. I need all of them. And I'm looking for the metallic Ganos. I am also looking for the Toys R Us exclusive of Jeffrey the Giraffe as Iron Man. Let me know what you are looking for. Maybe I can help you out. I will link in the description box below of tons of Funko Pop available for pre-order right now. There's so many. The Brady Bunch, the Marvel Christmas collection, which is so awesome. There is the Married with Children collection. There's the Biggie Smalls Funko Pops. There's so many Power Ranger ones that are so sick. There's tons of Funko Pop. Look in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition. So definitely check all that out. And if you have any of those pops I'm looking for, or anything you think I may want to do trades with, definitely hit me up over at Delz Toy Show. Delz Toy Show. Thanks for tuning in to this quick weekend vlog. Let me know if you picked up anything new. Let me know what you've seen that you liked. Let me know if you see anything on the wall that you like. I love this one right here, man. I just can't believe I was able to get this finally, man. The life-size Groot. This was one I wanted for so long. So happy I was finally able to get it. But definitely let me know what's good. And oh, I did this video last week, and I feel like it really should have gotten more views, where I literally unbox about 10, if not more, music Funko Pops. So definitely watch that video when you get a chance. It's called like Funko Pops That Rocks. I will try to put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. I'd love for you guys to check out that video. And if you checked out that video, in the comments, write "I love pizza." And if you're going to check out that video, leave in the comments, I'm going to get some pizza. Alright? I know it's stupid. Just trying to have some fun. Oh, I love, man, this one right here. I'm so happy I got this one. That was from the video yesterday. And this one's so sick. DJ Delz. I've had so many people asking, where the hell is Chris? Chris is back, okay? And I haven't seen him for a couple of months. My birthday passed. He brought a whole bunch of hot foods and all types of crazy shit. So, what do you got there for me, man?
Got some Reaper jerky. I love that.
Let's see. This has Carolina Reaper infused in it. And it says maximum heat levels. So, Chris has been in retirement with the hot food. I don't know if he's gonna mess
because that Reaper pepper broke me.
If you didn't see that video, make sure you watch that video. But I'm gonna try this.
Man, look at it though. That looks potent.
Yeah, it looks crazy. I'll give you a close-up look too, guys. Remind me of almost like weed, like the crystallization right. On some bud.
Right, some red hair.
Mm-hmm. Here's a close-up look at it. There's the dogs. See, I mean, it looks savage. Shit looks savage as hell. But it looks good, too. We're about to find out.
I mean, it's covered, though, right?
Hell yeah, it's covered. It's like nuggets of it, man. All right. Well, I'm gonna try. You?
No, I'm gonna watch you. I think.
Yeah, and I'll leave the bag here.
I kind of like the smell of it.
It smells really good.
Wow, it actually smells really good. There's no way that's hot, huh?
Nah, it's good. Try it. It's very good.
Okay. Wow, it's serious looking though.
Nah, it tastes so good.
Yeah, right. That's hot. Yeah, right. Nice.
They caught me looking.
Oh man.
They caught that.
Man.
Is it hot?
Pretty hot.
I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's creeping up now.
I'm gonna have to swallow it first. Hell with that. Wow, that's hot.
Yeah, it's. I feel like I'm sweating already. Look, the head is shining like crazy.
I want to see how far down the way Carolina Reaper is.
Yeah, that's pretty damn hot, man.
Well, it's the first of all the peppers on there, I think.
But it's got flavor to it.
Yeah.
Compared to some of the
I mean,
other.
there's some big pieces. I went for the little guy.
Yeah.
There's some big pieces in there.
Compared to some of the other type of extremely hot foods, this got good flavor.
That's yeah, that's edible.
Like I would recommend getting this to eat, but I mean, how much of this can you eat? I actually want a little more.
You kind of got to know when to call it, though. You know, you can't go eating that whole bag. You're gonna be paying for it.
I'll do another one.
Look at that. You're going in with it too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm still a little bit hesitant myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should have done that.
Thing is, there's a lot of that's falling off. You'll have seasoning after this bag is gone. You're still gonna have some seasoning to use. You can put in your favorite meal. Sprinkle it on some pizza.
Beef jerky, pizza. How you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, it's hot, man. But it's dealable.
Yeah, just that little piece I ate. I'm still I'm feeling it still, but you know, I can hang with that though.
Yeah, this is good. I recommend this right here. I give it 2 thumbs up because you can actually, you know what? It's really burning my mouth now though.
My tongue's still on fire. I mean, you gotta be able to handle some heat to take that.
Yeah, this isn't no. Trying to think.
Don't feed that to the kids.
Oh no, you can't. That's not for children, definitely. That's pretty damn hot, man. The regular Reaper is like pounding on the table like I'm dying type shit.
Begging for mercy.
Yeah. That's pretty good, man. I mean, that's it for me. I'm done with this.
I'm done too. That's
but I do give this brand Savage Jerky. I give it a thumbs up. Pretty good. What you think?
Yeah, same thing.
So shout out to Savage Jerky. Good jerky, jerky. Subscribe if you're new. If you never watched our hot food reviews with my boy Chris and your boy Delz, those are playlists. Somewhere you'll see it. Maybe in the description box. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll catch you guys soon. We out of here.